Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using two ingredients. One of the ingredients I'll be using is cinnamon. We all know that cinnamon is used as a food spice, but today we are going to be using it on our hair. Another ingredient I'm using is cloves. Like you all see me using cloves very often on my channel because it's very rich on our hair and it helps stimulate hair growth. That's one of the reasons why I make use of cloves every now and then. You can watch my other videos on cloves. I want to point out this: we can make use of the powdered cinnamon. Here I don't have the powdered cinnamon, so I'm making use of the stick. Now let's look at the benefits of cinnamon for hair growth. Cinnamon helps stimulate circulation that encourages hair growth and reduces hair loss. Cinnamon also contains antifungal properties and antioxidant properties that helps treat dandruff. It also helps increase hair length, density and growth. For those who are just joining us for the first time, let me point out some of the benefits of cloves. Cloves improves hair growth, it adds shines to hair, it also treats dandruff, it helps prevent premature gray hair, and it also cleans and soothes the scalp. Then for those who does not have cloves but they have the cloves powder at home, all you have to do is take a spoon of your cinnamon powder and cloves powder, you mix them in a bowl and you add your honey into the bowl. This measurement depends on the length of your hair. Please note, it depends on the length of your hair, and you apply directly on your scalp. You apply on your scalp down to the root. But for this method I have here, I made use of my clove sticks and also my cloves, which is not blended. I added it in a pot and I made use of my water. After boiling for 20 minutes, I brought it down, allowed it to cool off before straining it. Then I sprayed directly on my scalp down to the tip of my hair. As you can see me doing on the video, you see me spraying it down to the tip of my hair. I also massage my hair gently. You have to massage gently so it circulates on your hair. It helps improve blood circulation. I would also like to point this out: when applying your cinnamon, you have to section your hair. You section your hair and you spray. But if you're applying the max, you section your hair and you apply it so you get all over your hair, you don't miss out any place. If you know you enjoyed this video, please comment below. And if you know you are just tuning in for the first time, you just come across this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.